My name's Claire Seamer. I'm the Process Control Manager in Planning, Construction, and Campus Operations at Bowling Green State University. In my opinion, I think a well-maintained campus and campus facilities has everything to do with how your maintenance system runs. We've got over 100 buildings. 9 of them are 100 years old. 70 of them are about 30 years old. Over 50 of them are 50 years old. 3.6 miles of utility tunnels on campus. We average about 20,000 work orders on an annual basis. TMA does help us run a more efficient organization. I can make data-informed and data-driven decisions that help make cost-effective decisions. It helps building a safe campus so students can learn, staff can be comfortable. One of the greatest accomplishments is creating these dashboards in TMA that I share with our technicians and our supervisors so they can understand why we're doing what we're doing. Our staff and our organization, they sort of knew numbers, but they didn't know hard numbers. And when I provide data like this to staff, it's sort of mind-blowing. You could see that they're spinning and they have questions. They want to know, how many did they touch? When did they touch these? And I can show that. With TMA, I can break down that data for them and show that to them and illustrate it and then explain why. And I think then they have more buy-in about when they're in the system, what they're clicking. So they really want to make an impact.